Now for the railway bridge. There are two sections which are identical apart from one side has a thread and the other doesn't for the top bolt. And they're placed together. Then fish plates go on either side. And then a single bolt in the top. Around. Then if we bring the model round, the bridge sits on the two bridge seats like that. Now the final touch is to put the fences in place. There's three types of fence, of which we have two of the completely symmetrical fence which fit in the middle of the long sides. There's four of the slightly shorter ones which have very short stub here, and they fit in the sides like that, and the two with the nearly symmetrical sides or the fit on the side, on the ends, with the longer end in towards the middle. And there we have the finished model.